warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zaky Reihan Azzahiru from Diploma for Study Program, and I majoring in Automatization Engineering. My class is COI7K. My ID number study is E41202070. Okay. Here I will present a tool of automatization or electrical. That tool is solder. Tool is solder. So, what is the solder? What is the function of solder? How to operate the solder? How to maintain the solder? All about that I will explain in this video, and have a good time to watching. Okay, why I have a solder. Ah, yeah, this is solder. Solder is one of type metal that is useful for melting steel, so it sticks easily for component legs. Solder works for connect electronic component fit to PCB by melted tin. Okay. The solder has many types, but most commonly used is electrical solder, and I have electrical solder. Electrical solder work because of a power source. Okay. And the electrical solder have several parts. The first is plug and IC cable. The function is as a power source. A power source, okay. The second is handler solder. The function for handler to operate solder, okay. The third is soldering iron or heating element casing. This is hot, okay, if the solder is on. The function as heating conductor to solder tip from this to this solder tip. The fourth is solder tip. The function is solder tip as melt tip. The melt tip. Okay. Okay. And how to use electrical solder? Check this out. Okay. Before how to use electrical solder, we must have several component for support to use electrical solder, and I have lamp or LED, I have PCB, I have tin, and the important I have electrical solder. Okay, for the first, plug the solder into a power source and place the solder in a safe area. Okay, plug solder into a power source and place the solder in safe area. After that, wait for the solder to heat up. Okay, after the solder is hot, after the component are ready and solder is hot, insert and position the component legs into the PCB it correctly, like this. PCB component legs to the PCB. Okay, and the component and PCB is already. Soldering the specific parts using melted tin so that all the parts are united, like this. This is melted then, like this. After that, keep solder away from these three parts. That tin becomes solid and that parts are connected. Finish. The tin becomes solid and the parts are connected. This is connected from PCB and like component for tin from solder. Take off the plug. Okay, it's finished. After you know to operate the electrical solder, you must know how to maintain this electrical solder. Okay, check this out. And how to maintain electrical solder? Okay, before the solder is turned off, it is the best to clean the type solder using a special cleaning fluid, or you can use sandpaper. Okay, and actually I don't have the two the cleaner, so if you have cleaned the type solder, if you have cleaned the type solder, you turn off solder. After solder is off, straighten the cable and let them sit until the solder is not hard. Yeah. Straighten the cable. Okay. After that, the solder is no longer hot. You can roll the cable neatly. Like this. Maybe that's all I can explain. Hopefully, it can be useful. More or less, I apologize. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.